One should not use gym unless you want to become Salman Khan. If you want to live healthy life, gym is contrary to it. You go to the garden, walk, do yoga, do swimming, do cycling. Be with nature. Why you want to be with machines? While you are working, you are in the premises only. Why you want to? Your mind becomes like machine. You don't become human being. You don't remain human being. So I don't believe in gym.
For me, my gym is my garden.
Gymming is actually a wonderful option. It's almost a buzzword today. Every colony, every marketplace has a couple of gyms. And in a way, it's become a fashion statement also. So gyms are absolutely wonderful. They are excellent. I think again, in terms of individuals, we all need to understand our potential, our abilities. What you don't want to do is to over-exercise and harm yourself, tear muscles.
Sometimes gym trainers, they ask housewives to jump and do activities. They come to us with meniscus tear. We get patients or younger boys who start running, and on day 1 they run for 5 kilometers, day 2 6 kilometers, and within a week they are running 10 kilometers. They come to us with stress fractures, and they are deficient in vitamin D, deficient in calcium, not taking enough protein. Your body is not ready. Step 1, you need to prepare your body. Step 2, you need to do stretching before you do anything. And step 3, it has to be graduated. Go stepwise manner. There is no competition. You don't have to please the gym trainer. You have to take care of your own body. And don't try to imitate a person who has been doing exercise for years and you start running 10 kilometers a day. So go gradual, go slow. They will come, you will also do everything. But follow these principles.
All the gyms do have some trainers who are there to help you. Please ask them. There is nothing wrong to ask them how much weight is important for me as a beginner, as an intermediate, and as a complete specialist. And the second thing and the most important thing what I see is the stance. The stance when I see is you just can't lift weights, bend and lift weights, because that's where you're putting your back under complete strain and it will be affecting your back in the form of a disc bulge. You can't just go down and squat, because with that you're affecting your knees. And I see n number of patients walking up to my outpatient and saying, "Sir, I was at the gym, I was doing something, I could hear this noise, I'm not able to do that," which is a very bad thing, because your whole motto is to become fit, and although you're completely returning back with an injury. So always and always know your limitations, what is needed for you and what is needed for your body.
The one point that I would absolutely mention unequivocally is stay away from anabolic steroids and drugs, muscle enhancing drugs. These are extremely dangerous, not only to you in the short term but in the long term as well.